Yeah guys, my new mobile phone booster setup works an absolute treat. If you're not following my channel, I used to have a CelFi-Go for many years, 4 years or so. Initially it was great when I was only after voice, but over time data became far more important for me, and the CelFi-Go is not really a 3G, 4G booster because it only boosts voice and no data. And over the past 2-3 years I found it much useless. Nowadays you have Wi-Fi calling, so if you have data you also have voice, but not the other way around. So for the last trip the RF shop provided me one of the Mimo antennas for the roof. That is a multiple input, multiple output antenna which boosts voice and data. And then I used an old Nighthawk I had still lying around, which is a 3G, 4G booster. And the principle was good, it definitely worked, but the Nighthawk was a bit of a pain. The battery didn't charge, it's just not made to be permanently mounted and usable, and it also only has one SIM card. So it proved the concept, but it wasn't the ideal solution. Now the RF shop provided me a Rut 11, which is pretty much a commercial 3G, 4G booster with dual SIM cards. So I have now a Telstra card in it and an Optus card, and that has just worked perfectly. Obviously a booster will not give you anything if there is no signal. Booster will only boost your weak signal, but in comparison to CelFi-Go, the setup I have now with the MIMO antenna on the roof will boost voice and also data. And especially for these long outback drives, I'm the 3rd day now on the road driving up to Tobermory Station in the Northern Territory, and there's just long stretches of road where you only have one bar and you can't really do anything meaningful with it. Even phone calls constantly interrupt, and now with this setup, absolutely perfect. I really can maintain a conversation, I can speak with the wife, I can speak with the kids. Yeah, I really like it, and it works perfectly. I have no charging issue. So that is, I guess, my current solution, which I'm gonna keep until I maybe one day get Starlink. But Starlink, yeah, that's a different subject, not gonna go into that now. So far that setup now is excellent and I really like it, and it is a very good replacement of the CelFi-Go and works way better.